Hey guys, welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel, and today we've got a quick unboxing for Lone Bear beards. So this is the first time I've got to try anything of theirs. Keith is the owner. He sent out what I think is his fall scent. Mo, the Bearded Shark, is having a live stream on October the 1st. Ooh, this thing's taped up good here. And myself and Beard Times with Scott is going to be on there with him. And we've had several companies send out their fall scents to all three of us. So we're going to be highlighting all of those scents, plus whatever other fall scents that we have in our collection, or any other scents that kind of reminds us of fall. So we've got some that are pretty much seasonal scents, and then we've got some that might be in companies' lineups that we just think reminds us of fall, we like to wear in the fall. And I got to figure out how to open this thing. All right, I got it open. The label was covering up exactly where I needed to cut on this thing, but nice little package there. It says, Brian, included is our Autumn Bear scent. We're looking forward to the fall scent extravaganza live stream. So am I. So thank you guys for sending that out. Lone Bear Beard Company. I've seen several reviews from some of my reviewer friends. I think it was a lot of the guys on the Bearded Roundtable. I think they had a live stream that featured a lot of their scents. And some of those guys individually had reviews on their channels. So I really like the way this thing looks. Right, it's got the bear on it, got a nice fall scene in the back, and make no bones about it, they say that this is pumpkin spice. So we shouldn't have to guess what that's going to smell like, but I'll take a little quick sniff here. Handcrafted in Missouri. This one's a medium hold. Ingredients on the oil are organic jojoba, organic argan, organic sweet almond, organic coconut oil, and essential oil. So all essential oils on that, it seems like. Nice little cards here, a business card, an instruction card, and a lovely sticker. All right, so let's see if I can get the oil opened. Been having trouble with the packaging lately. You guys are doing a good job sealing everything up and making it nice and tight, and lots of bubble wrap and everything else. Let's see. Pumpkin spice, definitely smell the spice on it and the pumpkin. I don't get a ton of sweetness to it. You know, sometimes you get pumpkin spice that's like really kind of vanilla inspired. This one seems to be more just on the spice side of that. Oh, I got more stuff to take off here. I didn't think this had any on it. So everything is sealed up with the shrink wrap on that. And this one does have beeswax and shea butter, as well as all the oils that I mentioned earlier. Screw top. Looks like the natural beeswax, organic Missouri beeswax. Yeah, so I get like the cinnamon and other kind of spices to go along with that. And that is definitely not a light balm, so medium, maybe even on the heavier side of that. So I'll be checking that out and giving you some more information. And I'm loving all these fall scents, so make sure you stay tuned for the live stream. Once again, that's on the Bearded Sharks YouTube channel on August 1st, which is Tuesday. We're doing this starting at 7 p.m. because we're going to have an extravaganza. We got a lot of stuff to talk about. And I go to bed early, so he usually starts Shark Talk at 9, so we're actually backing it up a couple hours. But be looking forward to seeing you guys there. We're talking about some of these great fall scents like the Autumn Bear from Lone Bear Beards. Thanks, guys.